This question isn't difficult, but it's got lots of little parts to it which are quite irritating. So you have to be very, very careful. You don't make silly mistakes. First thing you notice that we've got currencies mixed up. We've got dollars and krona, and we can't have that. So either work all in dollars or work all in krona, but work in one. Don't work in two currencies. So I can see converting dollars to kronas is probably easier. So I'm going to put in the $770,000. So if I times one side by 770,000, I'm going to work out everything in krona. Okay, so times 6.57 by 770,000 as well, and that's going to tell me the second deal. Okay, so that's what, 5,058,900. Okay. Right, so but you can see that you get different amounts of oil for the different amounts of money. What we really need to be able to compare costs. What does 1 litre from each company actually cost? Okay, and that way we can compare fairly. So cost per litre is what we're looking for, and per means divide, doesn't it? So if I do the cost divided by the number of litres, I should get the cost per litre. So the cost is, well, that's how much money it costs, and I've got how many litres. Well, that's given me in the question. Now I'm going to use my my power button on the bottom of my calculator to do that. I'm going to show you where it is just in case you don't know it or haven't used it before. So I'm typing in the sum, so 4.2. Now look, if you look at the bottom of the calculator, you see this button there? Use that one. Okay, and then put the power. Okay, and that will give me the cost per litre, which is 5.95 krona per litre. Okay, so let's write that down. I don't know why that's gone off the bottom of the page, so hopefully I'm going to shift it all up, I hope. Yes, I am. Good. Right, now Arctic Oil Company. I don't really want to go and dig up the Arctic, I suppose, but let's see how much it costs per litre. So just over 5,058,900 krona. That's the cost per divide the number of litres. How many litres have I got? Well, it's 8.6 times by 10 to the 5. So again, if I do that calculation on my calculator, I'm going to get how much? That's it, don't forget that button, it's really useful. Okay, and 5.88 krona per litre. So now I'm comparing like with like. It's a fair comparison, and you can see that the Arctic Oil Company is slightly cheaper per litre than the Danish one. And of course that actually matters. If you're buying millions of litres of oil, then clearly even a small difference like that would be quite significant. So Astrid should probably buy from the Arctic Oil Company if it's just purely done on cost and not on environmental consequences, etc. Okay, so there you have it. Now the examiner's report, and particularly the mark scheme, reads a bit like War and Peace. It's a huge amount of information. You really do need to pause as we look at these and go through. Okay, and it looks like quite a few errors were. Well, there's lots of opportunities to make mistakes, isn't there? Litres per cost per litres is always going to catch people out. They're going to divide it the wrong way around, aren't they? But just if you say the word per, think divide. Right, and if we look at I've split the mark scheme into two because it's just really huge. But that's just the first page, the marking, and it looks like we've chosen the one at the bottom of the screen here. That's the one I've done anyway. Okay, and that's other ways as well if you wanted to.